And we just heard that the chase plane is 1 mile away, so getting closer and closer.
It does appear he's drifting to the east side of 34 left. It starts like to be on the west side of 34 left.
And here we go. Takeoff of the Boeing 777X.
Woo! That was so incredibly cool to watch.
Through the clouds and filtered sunshine, the beauty of that airplane shines through.
Absolutely. The building anticipation since yesterday. What a proud moment for all these teams around the world like we just saw, and all the people that came out to be a part of this today.
It feels like it's been raining here for 3 weeks, and the sun has finally come out. What a spectacular takeoff.
It really, really was. I think it's a good sign.
Yeah. So tell us what happens now.
Yeah, so the airplane is going to do its flight today. They're going to try to open up the envelope, as our pilot Ted Grady was talking about yesterday. So they'll spend at least a few hours in the air trying to do some of that, and then they're going to land back at Boeing Field.
Okay, and we're going to head down to Boeing Field. You'll see us later today with